7-Eleven. You want to grab some food?
What do you want?
I want
Dog?
hot dog and
Chips?
surprise me.
And then
It's kind of nice to go for a hike after 4 days or a week of working, right? Just to recharge yourself. And I'm just so thankful that we live in Washington because this is the very activity that we have here. And it's just so refreshing to go out in nature. So it's really a fun activity with my hubby and my dog.
we're taking advantage of the nice weather.
Yep, we're taking
For the most
advantage.
part, it's raining.
Yeah.
It's raining and then it's cold.
Mhm.
But throughout the summer, it's really nice.
It's the beginning of summer and we see brighter days ahead. Right?
Yep.
It's here. You look like Asuma. Pick yourself. Yes. Butter is enjoying, definitely.
She already played with Gouda, but she still has some energy in her.
What a lucky dog. Oh yeah, you're enjoying the water. Is it cold? Oh! You're drinking water from the lake? I'm scared. Let's go back.
Hello, hi.
Wait. Where should I go?
Hey, I'm very short.
Gusto niya baga. Hindi baga. Hindi nakarigis ng bata. Jug. Oh no. Oh no, what a mess. Pick your puppy's feet. That's the rule. Look at those. Look at the lake. So peaceful. This is what I like about this trail because you are walking by the lake. You can see the beautiful view right there. Just right next to you. It's a beautiful lake, Whatcom.
You got the lake right on your right side. And you got the forest on your left side. It's just perfect combination. Yeah, blue sky. Last year we went to Central Trail.
It's just right next to this.
It's pretty much the same
Park.
parking lot.
Yeah.
And it was a steep hike.
I want to show you something. Look at this. Ooh, so relaxing. Look at that water, clear blue water. Is this blue? Let's see. Ooh, this is so nice. Heaven. Heaven on earth. Here's a quick closer look to the water. So you see the plants at the bottom. Let's go back to the tree. Hey, keep going. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening, but look at the sky. Still shining.
Butter. There you go. Butter. 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 Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you having fun?
Careful. Tired?
It's okay.
How was your experience going up?
It's hard, but it's a good exercise. There's a puppy over there. Somewhere in there. It's a puppy.
There's a puppy over there and there's a puppy over here. Tired?
Especially the little one. She is really tired.
We were supposed to be going to the overlook, but just realized that we're not almost halfway. So it's already 6 p.m. and we gotta head back.
It's almost, what is it, 6 o'clock?
Yeah,
So it's gonna be dark soon. And we don't want to be
here.
Walking in the dark?
Yeah. Scary to be out here in the dark.
We enjoyed our time. We are sweating.
Sweating and thirsty. But we have our backpack full of water.
Shout out to Camelback. Yeah, pet check. Beats. She has her whistle. Just in case.
Just in case we need an emergency
We still need a
rescue.
pepper spray. We're preparing for a
Hike up
Hike?
on the mountain on the
forgot the loop trail by Artist Point. We're definitely gonna go to Artist Point during the summer, and then there's the, what do you call that? Forgot, but yeah, we'll definitely be outdoor during the summer because summer is our favorite season. We love outdoor.
We're up for another adventure for tomorrow. We're gonna wake up early in the morning. So we're gonna surprise you for another adventure vlog.
Please subscribe. Like and subscribe.
For more vlogs like this, if you enjoyed watching, you might wanna click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Click the bell button so you will be updated for all the uploads that we're gonna put on our YouTube channel. So guys, we're gonna wrap it up for now. See you on our next vlog.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.